This is YaadMentz.
So we're here in Forever 21, shopping, looking around. So we just left Forever 21 and we're trying to look for H&M.
That's the price?
190. This is nice.
190 now. Still like it?
You want to get it? Alright guys, so we are just leaving out of a Zara. Nice store, nice stuff. Yeah. We're heading into Adidas.
Still on recorded? Beer color. That looks nice. The first, show me the inside.
Guys, we are going to enter that gap, see what's up in here. Leopard print. $40 though. 40 something. Guys, we are entering to H&M. So guys, right now we're in Old Navy, looking around.
We're having a sale, 15% sale of the entire store.
Into a store called Conway.
We just walk past and call yourselves. It's the same thing. That's the good coming here.
Alright, so guys, we are up, ready. We're walking to get our COVID test done. We're heading to this medical lab that is close by, probably like what, 15 minutes walk. So we are walking there now to get our COVID test done, because we have to get our COVID test to enter back Jamaica. So that's the pre this morning. So this is the place, right? You take that. Hola. Alright, so we got through with registering. This is our receipt. They're going to the both of us same time. Yes.
Really? How was it?
I feel something like tingling on my throat.
It's made my eyes run.
Alright, so guys,
You filmed
that's it.
yourself?
Huh? Yeah, I did.
Oh.
So guys, that's it. That's our
Done.
COVID test. So we wait on the results for 2 hours. Gracias.
We get to our email, right? Email? Okay, gracias.
Feels like
It
something
just feel like you have an allergy, you know, and
right.
something bother your allergy.
Something bother in the back of your throat.
Yeah. My
That's how
eye
it feels.
watering.
Yeah, but it's not bad. I thought it would. That was my first test.
I've had them so many times, guys. So many times.
I really thought it would be like because I hear people are afraid of it and whatnot. But
not bad.
it's not as bad as
Some people go further though. I've
Right.
had somewhere some people literally go right down to your throat.
Mm-hmm.
But I've also had some where, like in the US, they barely go in your nose. Like them literally tickle at the top of your nose. That's it.
Yeah.
But these people go back.
Yeah, they go back.
But I've had people go farther back.
So this is the lab that we came. It's Tech here in Panama City. The cost for both of us was $56.
Yeah, it was $28 each.
Right.
We actually thought it was gonna be more money.
Right.
Based on their website. And just to let you guys know, the airport actually charges $50
Right.
each to do the COVID test.
So if you want a cheaper COVID test, find a lab that is close
that's
by.
approved, and that's approved.
And that's approved as well.
Yeah, because this one is approved for testing.
Right, so we got our test done. We're going to head back to the hotel.
And then we'll tell you guys what we get up to later. We're leaving tomorrow, so we have a little bit of stuff we want to get done
Right.
before tomorrow. So we're glad we get this out of the way. It will be negative in Jesus' name. We'll be fine.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up back with you guys when we're doing something else.
Okay, bye guys.
Hey guys, so today is the last day. We're actually gonna head to the airport in a few. Last day in Panama.
Yep.
We just wanted to check back in with you guys, just to kind of, I guess, recap.
Yeah, that's a little recap.
We didn't do like a whole lot, like in terms of like excursions. Yeah, we did the road every day.
Yeah, we mostly spend a lot of time at the mall, just walking around looking, because trust me, the mall itself is an adventure. It's both
huge.
malls, Albert Mall and
Multi
Plaza. They're huge malls, and trust me, there's a lot to see. Even if you go one day, you might miss something, so you might want to go back another day just to see if you miss something and sales or whatever. So it was an adventure just going to the malls. I mean, we heard somebody say that you come to a place like this, and most of the excursion are like zip line, going to the river, etc., etc.
And we have that in Jamaica,
right,
you know what I mean?
We're not downplaying Panama's, excursion.
No, not at all.
But we're saying that, we came here just to see the malls and just experience the city life itself. And we did just that.
We did just that. We didn't go to the canal. People say, oh, you come to Panama, you have to go to the canal. Maybe next time we come, we'll go to the canal and explore like outside of the city somewhere.
Right.
But yeah, overall, I'd say the hotel that we stayed in was pretty good. We had no issues. The place was clean. They came and cleaned every day.
Every single day.
We got new towels and stuff every
bed
day.
Linen and everything. New
bed linen and all of that. Like if we sometimes we'd buy food like at lunchtime and we couldn't eat it off, so we had leftovers. We were able to heat them up. They heat them up for us and all of that.
Once you go to the reception area, you ask them. You can go to the dining area and they will heat up the food for you at no charge.
Yeah. I mean, the breakfast also was okay, as we had mentioned before. The breakfast was included in the stay here. It was okay.
Funny enough, the last day, because when we came here, every single day up until the last day that we're here, we were served.
Right.
So the last day, it was like self-serve. So it was a refresher. It was different. It was
we came down and we're like, okay, what's happening?
What's happening here?
Yeah.
But once you have on your mask and your sanitizer, you're able to just go around and get your food.
Yeah. But yeah, it was okay. What are your final thoughts on Panama?
Panama is a nice place, to be honest. The city, we stayed in the city, so we never get to go out, you know, a lot to see other stuff. You know, once we're leaving, it's just straight Uber.
Yeah,
right?
and
so
the Ubers are very reliable. They're
Right.
very affordable and reliable as well.
So we do recommend
Uber,
if you don't have the Uber app, you're coming here, download the Uber app. It is very reliable,
effective,
and
easy,
and it's
affordable.
And it's affordable, right? It's affordable. So do get the Uber app. But overall, my stay here was nice. If I could extend my stay, I would.
He was saying last night. I can't believe how the
day just brush off. Like
so
we're
quick,
ready for like 6 days, and
it just brush off.
Wow, you know, it kind of feels homey, to be honest, and stuff. As I said, I don't know much more about anything else, but
this area is a nice area though, because the mall is literally right there. You know, so if we needed any food or anything, it's right there.
Multi Plaza is 5-minute walk.
Yeah,
right. That's
literally. Multi Plaza is literally a 5-minute walk.
Right, so
very close, and of course they have like food courts and whatever. They have supermarket there, so
dozens of food.
Everything is just kind of close, and we kind of got familiar with the area and stuff because we're literally walking to and fro every day.
And as I said, I don't know if I did mention, but you know, you can use a Google Maps if you want to find places.
Like when we went to do the test and stuff, it's just so funny how everything kind of worked out, you know?
Right.
Because I was like, okay, the test at the airport is $50. I mean, there are other places that are approved labs that have them for much cheaper. And it just so happened that the place that I was watching YouTube and I saw somebody recommend getting the test done at an independent lab instead of going to the airport and getting it done, because anything can happen at the airport. You know what I mean? You can go there and you have to wait, and you know, we just want everything smooth sailing for the day that we would be leaving. We wouldn't want any hitches or anything like that. So
another thing I recommend, if you're going to the mall, wear a comfortable sneaker.
Yes, wear comfortable shoes because it's huge.
Trust me, you're walking, you get tired. Even though there are several benches everywhere you go, you can sit and relax, but do wear a comfortable shoes. Trust me, you're gonna need that for real.
And also you might want to take a bag. I find that some of the stores, they do charge you like 20 cents for the bag. Some of them do, not all of them do, but some of them will charge you like a couple cents. Walk with a bag or your suitcase that you can hold. If you come to like really shop, like, you know, walk with something so that it's a little bit more comfortable, because if you're gonna have to be walking and you're buying a lot of stuff, it might get a bit uncomfortable to be walking with heavy bags. So maybe carry a suitcase or some kind of bag that you can put your stuff in.
And persons were very courteous. They were helpful. If they didn't know any English, they would find somebody who speak English to assist you, or they say they know a little English, or they would speak what they know, and
certain words, and you can figure out. You could basically understand each other.
You gesticulate something,
and they would understand, or you point on something on the menu, or point on a number. They wrote it down on a paper
even that
to give it to you, or stuff like that. So I mean, they were very accommodating. Even though majority of the people here, they do not speak a lot of English at all,
or no English,
exactly. So but we found ways to communicate with them, and I wouldn't say that the language was like a huge barrier for us. We were able to understand each other even though we don't know Spanish, and most of the people here also don't know English.
So brush up on your little Spanish. You can download the Google Translate app.
We didn't really use that.
We don't really use it, but
but overall I think it was a good trip. It was both our first times here in Panama, and I think it was a good trip. No complaints.
No complaints at all.
Yeah, we would probably come back. Would you come back?
Of course, definitely come back. Definitely thumbs up for Panama and the area itself. You know, so it was a good vibe. It was a good flex and thing. So we're happy that we made this traverse to come here and just to experience the culture. You know, it's for me, it's definitely a big culture shock in terms of just the structure of the place,
infrastructure, the architecture.
It's really nice. It's really nice. So it's definitely a return for me.
So guys, we want to thank you for watching this vlog. We don't even know if it's gonna be like in 2 parts or what, but either way, we want to thank you guys for watching. We hope you found it very entertaining, but also informative as well. As I was saying in previous clips, if you guys want us to do like a separate video on the actual process to come here, we came here in, what month is this? We came here in November 2021. So if you guys want to hear about what we had to do based on that, because we know protocols, requirements for travel, are still changing. So we will just tell you our experience about booking in November 2021. But if you guys have any questions about anything like that, about the travel, how to get there, we will do a separate video on that, but just leave that information in the comments below. Yeah, we want to remind you guys to like the video as well. Like it if you really enjoyed it. Hit the notification bell.
Subscribe.
Follow us. Yes, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz. Follow me at Just Debbie Marie. You can follow Sean at I Am Stars if you want to. And yeah, check out the other videos on our channel, you guys. Remember, we're always taking suggestions as to what you guys would like to see. So yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, boy.
Bye guys.